friends, it's Life with Tamika Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a terrific Thursday. It is day 19 of Vlogmas. We're almost to the end of the week, almost to the end of Vlogmas. So yeah, it's just, I don't know, time is passing by very, very fast. Christmas is next Wednesday. So hard to believe, but I'm looking forward to it. Our son is coming in town. I mean, our daughter, I'm really excited, you know, just to be around family for the holidays. I'm taking some time off of work. My husband will be taking some time off of work. So it's just, you know, reconnect with our children, just relax and just, you know, enjoy our holidays. So looking forward to that for sure. So today been a pretty straightforward day. I worked. Nothing too exciting there. It was a very busy day at work. I did, however, eat lunch in a timely fashion, so I wasn't starving today. I also had a little bit of candy. Shame on me. I have been doing really well with not eating candy between my meetings, but today I needed a small pick-me-up. I reheated my coffee though multiple times. It kept getting cold because it took me so long to drink it this morning because I was just so involved with what I was working on. But all in all, pretty good day. Tomorrow's Friday, so I can't complain. Have a busy weekend ahead of me. So I've been trying to think out, how am I gonna get these videos done this weekend? I think tomorrow won't be as much of an issue, but traveling Saturday, traveling Sunday. So I really think that might be a little harder to do, but I'm gonna try my best to figure it out for you guys. But anywho, today's bag of the video. If you've been around, you know, every day for Vlogmas, I've been discussing one bag out of my collection. So today we've done 18 bags. Today makes 19. And today's bag, unfortunately, it's now discontinued. I don't know. I had heard that on Instagram maybe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw maybe a post or two on Instagram, but I didn't think too much of it. But when I went today to look on the website to see what colorways it was still offered in so that I could talk about it in the video, yeah, the bag is now discontinued. So I guess the rumors were true. I don't know why though. I thought this was a very popular bag. It's a remake, so I mean, I don't know, but I'm not the creative director for Louis Vuitton, so it's not my job to know, but I was just very, very shocked. So rumors are true. The bag is truly discontinued. If you are interested in today's bag and you want to know what bag is now discontinued and what bag you'll have to find on the pre-sale market or pre-loved market, stick around. So today's bag, I was actually influenced to buy this bag. When we were living in Italy, one day my friend Mandy walked in and she came in my office and she was carrying this bag in a different colorway. And I was like, oh my goodness, that is so cute. And she was like, oh, you should buy it. This is the type of friend Mandy is. So I was like, you know what, maybe next time we're at LV, I will buy it. So I reached out to my CA, got it, you know, ordered to make sure that she had it either in store or if she could have it shipped to the store. Went, picked it up, and the rest is history. So the bag I'm talking about is the beautiful Odeon MM, Odeon MM. This bag came in two sizes, the MM and the PM. I did go for the bigger MM size, but after I paid for it and used it a few times, I was like, man, maybe I should have went with the PM. But yeah, that's just, I don't know, it was just me thinking about spending more money that I didn't need to spend, so I didn't buy it. But yeah, I've had this bag a few years. I want to say I maybe got it in maybe 2021, possibly 2021, 2020, something like that. I've only had it a couple years, so why it's discontinued, I don't know. But anyway, so the version I got is this beautiful monogram with black leather trim. So the bottom has black leather trim right here on the corners. And then in the back, it also has black leather trim. This corner just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then the back, or the bottom, it doesn't have feet, but it does have black leather trim as well throughout the bottom of the bag. And it kind of goes up the sides a little bit. The bag came with this beautiful luggage tag that has the LV symbol in it. And as you can see, it's gold hardware. The bag does have a front pocket, which I usually slip my cell phone in for easy access. So I really love the front pocket. It does have like this magnetic closure. So I don't know if you guys can hear that, but you could see the little magnetic closure right here. But yeah, it has a magnetic closure. The strap, which we'll discuss, is detachable. So these are the 2D rings. And on the inside of the bag, it's one open spot. It's black. I don't use an organizer with this bag, but I do use like a toiletry or a mini pochette. I do use, you know, little items to keep my items in. No zip pocket, but there is one slip pocket right here. The bag is black on the inside, so I apologize if it's hard to see. It just looks like one dark hole. But the bag does hold multiple things. I mean, I can easily fit a full-size wallet. One second. Okay, where were we? As I was saying, I could easily fit a full-size wallet, mini pochette. I can fit my cell phone either in the front zip or front pocket or on the center of the bag. I can get like a brush, a comb, mini iPad. I mean, this bag does hold a lot, and it's it has height to it, so you're able to stuff a lot of things in it. The strap that came with the bag is adjustable, has numerous belt holes, and it does go long enough for me to wear crossbody. I actually have worn this bag crossbody a lot, probably more crossbody than I have over the shoulder. Now, I told you guys my friend had came in the office one day and she was carrying this bag, but she had it on in vachetta, and I'll insert a photo so you can see what I'm talking about. The bag also years later was released in Damier Ebene. I'll try to find a photo of that as well. So because the bag was like released in multiple colorways, that's what I'm saying. I can't believe it was discontinued. I don't know if maybe there were quality concerns with the bag, the reason it got discontinued, but I definitely, now I need to like watch some YouTube videos or read some forums, because now I'm like genuinely curious. I did take a quick look, and the bag is like still available on like Fashion File or the real websites like that, but unfortunately you might pay a bit of a premium if it's in, you know, excellent condition, because since it's discontinued, you know, you have no other option, so they can kind of charge what they want. I will show you guys what it looks like with the strap attached. I can't remember. I think only Damier Ebene and Monogram with the vachetta were the only things I've seen over the years. I don't believe this bag came out in any of the limited edition collections with a different colorway, so I think those were it. But this is the bag with the strap attached. And like I said, I've worn it crossbody several times. I didn't feel like it was too big for my frame to wear it crossbody, but if you're more petite and you're shorter, I can definitely see, you know, it being kind of like bulky to wear crossbody. But, you know, for me, it worked out perfectly fine. So yeah, I love this bag. I used it a lot. I used it a lot in Europe, crossbody, as I said. I haven't really used it much this year. I don't think I've even carried it once this year, now that I think about it. Yeah, I don't think I've carried it not once this year, but maybe I'll use it like next week just to put it in rotation before the year is out. But it's definitely a very good bag, very carefree. So it was definitely one that I was excited to add to my collection. The day I picked this up, I also bought a Alma BB, which was also a limited edition. I don't know space to put it in the rotation before Vlogmas is over, but if not, maybe I'll do a review on it at a later time. But yeah, so this is the Odeon MM by Louis Vuitton. Like I said, it's now discontinued, but it is available on the pre-loved market. Leave me some comments down below. Do you have this bag or the PM? And if so, what colorway did you go with? I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and I'm looking forward to seeing you back here again tomorrow. Until then, be safe.